What's up guys, One Low Magma here with Miami Auto Bros, coming back at you with another video for your F150. Today we're going to tackle the door panels on this thing. We're going to do a front door panel so you guys can see just how simple it is to remove your door panel. We're doing it to the Magma today because we're going to change these panels to an all black just to upgrade it with our new cat skin leather interior. It's going to look nice. This gray doesn't work with this color, so we're in the process of changing the whole interior to black. For this job, you're gonna need a pry bar, something nice and soft so you don't scratch up your plastics, and a 7mm bolt. I use my small ratchet to not over torque anything because these are really small bolts. And we're gonna start by popping off the mirror cover. That's gonna gain access to the first bolt. Then we're gonna take off this cover that's gonna give us 2 bolts. Then we're gonna take off this cover that has 2 small bolts. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the final 2 bolts down at the bottom, 1 and 2. All of them are 7mm. Let's get this. So this really just pops out with your hand. Just get a nice grip on it. You'll feel it loosening until you feel the clips pop off, and that's it. That pops right off. There's the first bolt right there. For this, we're gonna wanna put the pry bar in here. Right down here, I've found that there's a small opening right here. It's perfect for it. The minute you put it in there, you're gonna hear the pop. And then you go ahead and pop it out towards you. Once you've got it loose, just pull towards you. That's it, pops out. Now that gives us access to the 2 handle bolts. And now we're gonna take this cover off down here. Same thing, you're gonna reach in with your pry tool. And there it goes. All right, now with all the bolts removed, and you can remove them in any, or there's no necessary order how to take them off. Now that the whole thing has no bolts, it's just held in with clips, and you're just gonna give it a good yank. That already loosened the entire thing. Some videos don't even go past that point, but we're gonna take it one step further. We're gonna take the entire door panel off, which is gonna require removing the plugs for both switches and the handle, which is part that some of these videos aren't catching for you guys. And this is the easiest part right here. There's right here, a clip. You push down, pull out. That's it. Take this, clip it out. That's it. Door panel's out. That wraps it up. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. If this video helped you out, please subscribe. Please leave us a comment. Let us know in the comments if this helped you out. If you have questions, we always answer. One Low Magma, Miami Auto Bros. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, One Low Magma. Thank you for watching.